is for apple. A is for apple. A is for apple.
B is for ball. C is for cat.
Yay, cat!
D is for dog.
Woof, woof! D is for dog. He.
Woof, woof.
D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Grapes are great. Yummy grapes.
H is for hen.
Cluck, cluck.
Hen starts with H.
I is for ice cream. J is for juice.
K is for kite. The kite flies so high.
Fun. L is for lion. M is for monkey. E.
N is for nest. O is for owl.
Yay! P is for penguin. Penguins are great. P is fun.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Yay, rabbit. S is for star. S is for star. S is for star. T is for train. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra.
That's right. I'm a zebra.
Zebra starts with Z.
Zebra.